Hi everyone, and welcome back to Grow with Kit. So on today's episode, I don't know if you can see behind me, that bush there is a boxwood. So I'm going to show you a really easy way to kind of air layer slash cuttings. It's more like air layering, but I'll take you over and show you in a minute. And what I'm going to do with these, once they've rooted, I'm going to try and make a boxwood bonsai. So I've never made bonsai before, but I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos, Peter Chan, Heron's Bonsai, a couple of other ones I can't remember the names of, but anyway, so I thought I'd give it a go. So I'll take you over to the bush and we'll see if any of the cuttings have rooted. Okay, so basically what I did was to push down this section, and then I just chucked some compost and stuff, leaves and stuff in there. So hopefully anything that's been in contact with the ground and stayed moist will have rooted by now. But I'll get in there and we'll have a look. Okay, so I've been rummaging around and I finally found the branch that is buried under the leaves and stuff. So, as you can see here, this branch and this branch kind of comes out from underneath where it's been buried in compost or leaves. So, all we have to do is cut after where the roots are. So I'll try and do that. Very awkward while I was holding the camera. Hang on, I'll cut it and get back to you. Okay, so it's been cut now. So it should come out quite easily. So, there it is. So, I'm going to put it in the pot for now. So, but see, it's a fair sized plant. I'll trim a little bit of the foliage off. I'll show you that in a minute. But so that was just buried under just a bunch of old leaves and compost that I flung under the bush. Probably about a year ago now, maybe even a bit more than that, but it will have rooted within a few months. Obviously it's quite well established now, so I'll get back to you in a minute. I'll just show you the bush. You can't even notice where I pulled it out, so it just thins that out a bit as well, so no damage done to that bush. Anyway, I'll get back to you in a sec and we'll pop this up. Alright guys, so we've just been and collected this air layering for this boxwood. That's it, that's what I was trying to think of. I actually pulled out two apparently. This one was just in here like that. So this is another plant here. So I'll pot that one up as well. But this one is the main one, so you see it's got a lot of foliage on it, so I'm going to trim it down a bit and just put it in just a 3 litre pot for now. Whoops. Okay, so we don't need it to be this big, so it will grow back really quickly. So I'm just basically just going to cut it in half. Okay, so that's a bit of a more manageable size. So I'm going to put it in this pot now. Alright, so I'm going to pot it up now. So I've just got a mixture of sand and compost here. So it's 1 part sand to 2 parts compost. So I'm going to put a bit in the bottom of the pot first, just so the roots have got something to go straight into. And then put all these roots in here. Try and spread them out around the pot and get this as upright as possible. And then we're just going to fill in around the roots. Give it a tap or a shake, helps to settle the compost. So I'll just press the compost around the plant. And that's that potted up. Okay guys, so while we're here, I'm just going to pot up this little one as well. So it's kind of got another little trunk coming off of there. So obviously it's very small, but it will grow quite quickly. So we put it in quite a big pot for now. So just fill that up. I'm going to go almost to the top with this and then take the handle of this and just poke a hole in the middle and pop the root so it goes down to the bottom. I'm not going to trim any roots at the moment because I'm not really bonsaiing this, I'm just growing a cutting in a pot essentially. Or air layering. Okay, that's all there is to it. There's a nice little boxwood cut in. I'll put a stake in there to strain it up, and we'll leave that other little branch there because hopefully that'll just grow up and it'll be a nice twin one, which will be ideal for putting in the hedge. Anyway, back to you again in a minute. Okay, so here they both are. So I'm not quite sure what to do with this one, really. Obviously, if I want to make it into a bonsai, I've got to reduce it a lot. But I might grow it on for a season or two. And I'm thinking this branch here I might have to come off. It's got a few roots on it already, so if I can cut that off and pop that in a pot, that'll probably root. Or leave it there for now, I'm not sure. Anyway, let me know what you think, guys. So I'll keep you updated on this. With this one I'm just going to put a stake in, if I can find something to put in there. There's one that'll do. So I just want to keep it upright. So I'm just going to tie this one up to this bamboo stick. And I always melt this, just this plastic string stuff, instead of cutting it, because it just frees apart. So I'm not sure if it would have straightened up anyway or not, but I'll just tie it to this for until it's grown on a bit more and a bit straighter. And we'll pop that out on a veg garden somewhere, out of the way. And just one more thing before we go. All these cuttings that I've cut off of that one, if you wanted to, I've already got so many of these, so I'm not going to, but if you wanted to, just take a cutting from here, you can take a green cutting, which is just basically a heel cutting, so you just peel the branch so that you get a bit of the bark from the main branch, and then you would strip off the majority of the bottom leaves. You don't even need any rooting hormone or anything like that, it probably helps, but just pop that in a pot. We'll pop it in this one actually, and we'll keep an eye on it. I'll keep next time. If it roots, I'll update you on it. So I'll just pop the majority of the stem underneath, just like that, and then all of this bit under the ground. So that's how I've done it anyway, and it works. Okay everyone, I'll keep you updated on the boxwood air layering and the cuttings that we've put in the pots. So I just want to thank everyone for subscribing to my channel. Over 5,000 subscribers now, so that's absolutely brilliant. Hope you can hear me, it's really windy today. We're in the lean-to at the moment. It's blowing a hoolie out there. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed already, if you want to subscribe, please do so, and feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, give it a like. Any suggestions for this boxwood, let me know. I'm open to ideas on whether to keep it as it is or remove certain things. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a great week. Bye.